This is the Sion, the electric car that charges itself. The mobility revolution on wheels. But that's not all. As opposed to luxury electric SUVs, it's both affordable and practical. Its 650 liters of storage space make it a real dream of expansive space with enough room for your family, a holiday, or even just for shopping on the weekend. In addition to its range of 305 kilometers, the 456 integrated solar cells generate an approximately 5,800 kilometers of extra range per year, for free. Meaning your daily commute to work will get cheaper instead of more expensive. Residents in metropolitan areas of Germany travel an average of 20 kilometers per day by car. Harnessing the energy of the sun, the Sion not only makes commuting more environmentally friendly, but also cheaper. Whether driving or parked, winter or summer, the Sion charges itself. Can't find a charging station nearby? Not a problem. The integrated solar cells provide the car's battery with up to 35 kilometers of range per day in summer. Do you need power quickly? Also not a problem. The Sion charges up to 80% in just 35 minutes at standard rapid charging stations. The Sion still has a few more aces up its sleeve. Bidirectional charging enables you to share power with others. Because the power is literally where you park. You can even charge other electric cars with it, and fast. You can help your neighbor get their car back on the road with up to 11 kilowatts. And you can even make money doing this with the Sono Motors app. So the Sion is definitely more than just a conventional car. It can also be your own home storage system. With the right wall box, the Sion becomes a sustainable power plant and even supplies your home with electricity. The only question that remains is why not share something like this with others? We asked ourselves this very question and developed the perfect app accompaniment. If you want, you can share the Sion with friends, neighbors, or other people who live in your area. A few more facts for you. At around 16 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, the Sion is quite efficient, depending on the driving style, of course. The lithium iron phosphate battery contains fewer heavy metals. Many elements in the car are made of recycled materials, and the car itself is to be produced exclusively using green electricity. The price? 25,000 euros net. Cheaper than other electric cars in its category. And if something were to happen, you are in the best hands with our service partner Bosch Car Service throughout Europe. Oh yeah, it is deliberate that there's no ashtray. It does come with real moss though, and trailer coupling is also available on request.